Take 3. Okay, I've got to show you some damage on the seat belts of my Jaguar that, well, I don't know how it happened. It involved some previous owner who might have been on tweak, and I'm trying to find the parts now. So, there you go. That's the tab for the passive restraint. And then, alright, there's the lap belt. That's supposed to go right there. That's the end of the shoulder belt. As you can see, something bad has happened to it. I hope that answers your questions, and I hope you like this video.